Good morning, dear learners. Are you all okay? Hope you all you are all okay. You know my identity. I am Shamar Kumar Vishwas, lecturer in English, BCSS Government College, Gurudaspur, Nator. My mobile number is 0101711282647, and my email number is skumarvishwas60@gmail.com. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss an important topic, that is punctuation marks. And it's very important not only for the students of degree course or degree honors course, but also it's important for all the learners, English learners. So be careful, and you may ask me if you find any difficulty in my mobile number and in my Gmail number later on. Yes. Now, what is punctuation marks? Punctuation is the Latin word. It is a term derived from Latin, which means punctus. What is punctus? It means a set of symbols or set of signs which are used to clarify the sentences. It expresses the meaning of the sentence, it expresses feelings of the readers. It's very important. If I give you some examples, it will clarify more for you. You must be cautious that the misuse of punctuation marks may change the meaning of the sentence differently. Different uses of punctuation means the different meaning of the sentences. If your punctuation is incorrect, the sentence may incorrect and it may sounds opposite meaning. So be cautious. Like, these are the two sentences. Let's eat Tom and let's eat Tom. Very funny and different meanings, opposite meaning. And if you don't know the punctuation marks, it may prove fatal, it may prove harmful. And if you know the meaning of the sentence, you can save the lives. Two sentences are very much applicable for this. Let's eat Tom means you propose to eat Tom. Tom is a person and we will eat Tom. Is it possible? No. We must not eat Tom. Tom is a person. But let's eat Tom. We propose Tom to eat something. Tom is a subject. We must not eat Tom. But we propose Tom to eat something. So you must not write this sentence. And if you do so, you will be a murderer. Another sentence. I saw a man eating chicken. Another sentence. I saw a man eating chicken. Eating chicken. These are the two sentences. Only differs hyphen between man and eating, and there is no hyphen in the first sentence. So what is the difference between these two sentences? Totally opposite meaning of the sentences. I saw a man eating chicken. That means I saw a man who is eating chicken. But it means, the second sentence means, I saw a man eating chicken. That means this chicken eats man. The chicken which eats man. First one, I saw a man, the man is eating chicken, but second one, the chicken is eating man. So opposite meaning only for the use of hyphen, but if you don't know the use of hyphen, you may make mistakes. Let us find out another examples. John says, the boss is stupid. There is no punctuation marks except full stop. John says, the boss is stupid. Who is stupid? John or the boss? And to clarify the meaning, you must use punctuation marks. That is comma. John says, the boss is stupid. Now the boss is stupid. But if the comma comes here, John says the boss. That means the boss says John is stupid. Here John says the boss is stupid. Two sentences. John says the boss is stupid. That means John is stupid. Here John says the boss is stupid. Here the boss is stupid. The same sentence, but the punctuation is different. So for the different punctuation, the meaning gets changed. The meaning is changed. And if you don't know the punctuation marks, you may be cheated. You may get lost. As for example, it's dollar, the name of the penny or taka, that is money of USA and any some other countries like USA, UK, Australia and Canada. The name of their money is dollar. It's $25 bills. Another, it's $25 bills. Here hyphen comes between 20 and 5. Here between 5 and dollar. It means it's $25 bills means $25 bills into 5. 25 into, that is 5 into 20 is equal to $125. $125 it means, but it means only $25. Only 25. This is 125 and this is only 25. Why? Hyphen is between 20 and 5. Here hyphen is 5 and between dollar and 5. That means 5 taka note into 20. That is, in our countries, if you consider it for taka, not dollar, 5 taka note into 20. Here 20, though there is no 25 taka note in our country, if there is 25 taka note, this is only a 25 taka note. So it is equal 25 and it is 125. So you must know the correct punctuation marks. otherwise you will prove fatal, you will get loss. Let us consider another two sentences. Woman without her man is nothing. Woman without her man is, comma, without her man, comma, is nothing. Here woman is humiliated. This is gender disparity, you know. That means here importance goes to man, not woman. Woman without her man. That means wife without her husband is nothing. That means wife is nothing without her husband. So the importance goes to the husband, goes to the man. If I punctuate the sentence in another way, suppose there is a lady or woman in your class, she may punctuate in another way like woman, or you may use exclamatory sign. Here the meaning is exactly opposite. Woman without her, man is nothing. Here man is nothing, but here woman is nothing. Same sentences, only punctuation marks change the meaning of the sentences. Right? So you must be cautious using the punctuation marks. Woman without her man is nothing. Here woman is nothing without her man. Here woman without her man is nothing. Here man is nothing without her woman. So these men and women are equally important. So don't believe in gender disparity. You must reduce gender disparity. It's better to stop gender disparity, because men and women are equally important in our society, in our country. So let us consider punctuation marks. There are some about 14 or more than 14 punctuation marks. Mostly some the time limitation, for the time limitation we have to discuss in brief. I will later on discuss in details. So ending punctuation, there are some 3 ending punctuation, that is American says it period, but in British English it's full stop. Full stop, which is used at the end of the statement, at the end of the sentence, but not in all sentences. It ends, full stop is used, full stop or period is used at the end of the order or statement. Number 2, question mark. What are you doing? This sentence is asking questions, so you must put question marks at the end of the sentence. Another ending punctuation is note of exclamation, exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings. It expresses strong passion, feelings, joy, happiness, or sorrow. Like how beautiful the bird is. Wow. We have won the game. Won the game. So there are 14 punctuation marks. We will discuss in the next class, like comma, semicolon, bracket, hyphen, apostrophe, quotation marks, etc. So dear learners, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.